Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. Hey, all right, so we've got some questions here. First one is, what does being outside mean to me? And I've got to say that being outside is living life to its fullest. I mean, I spend a lot of time indoors making ends meet. So every opportunity I have to get outside and be in nature is, wow, I mean, it's the best. So out here in California, I am spending a lot of time in the water. I am surfing, I'm scuba diving. Every once in a while, I jump in a boat, go sailing, throw a fishing line overboard and catch nothing but nothing. Hiking is a huge part of my life, and camping and just going to the middle of nowhere. Mojave National Park is a place I recently went to and did some sandboarding, sort of off-roading. I've got a Subaru Forester, which I bought from back in Boston where I grew up. So yeah, being outdoors is life in and of itself. The fact that I can go outside and do things here, whether it's in the desert, in the mountains, snowboarding in the winter time, cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, or more of the summertime activities, hiking, water sports, being in around the beaches, means that I have a whole bunch of friends that like the same things. And so when I moved out here, finding people who were like-minded and do similar type things wasn't hard at all. I just had to get out there and be active. You know, I haven't taken any classes through REI or any sort of outdoor classes in general, but I do a lot of group activities. I'm in part of a trail running crew. I've got a snowboarding crew. I've got a surfing crew. I've got a crew that likes to go out and sort of, I would say, off-road camp. Find is, a road that we can handle. You know, my Forester is decent when it comes to off-roading, and just go and escape and explore. And so, like I mentioned, Mojave, we've got Joshua Tree. I've got a couple of dogs now, which I'll bring out in a minute. That just, be out there, be prepared, have what you need, learn from what your experience is, and then go back and get what you need. And REI has been fantastic for doing that. I have been a member of the REI co-op. I grew up in Massachusetts, where it was huge. My family was part of it. And my mom, bless her, she's still with us, and she's still as crazy as ever, was always about REI because of your return policy. And I have tent stuff. I have clothing. I have boots that I bought there. I have luggage that I used to travel, all from REI, all that I bought like 15 years ago or longer or more recently. And my mom's always saying, you've got a lifetime guarantee when you work with REI. And so being a member there has always been about high quality equipment and gear, knowledgeable staff, of going there and asking questions. You don't need consumer reports. You just need to go and talk to somebody, and you've got the friendliest staff. So yeah, I mean, when it comes to trying new things, I'm never afraid. It's a matter of trying it and then figuring out what I need, and then going to a store like REI to get what I need, and having the people to talk to give me the advice on different types, different prices, you name it. So I bring the East Coast lifestyle to the West Coast. I'm out there, engaged, loving life in the winter, in the summer. Spring and fall don't really exist here, but nonetheless, we can do everything all year round. And when there is snow, we can go get it. And when we don't want to, we can go to the desert, we can go to the mountains, you name it. So yeah. As I mentioned, here's my buddy system. We love being outdoors. Every day we'll be out hiking, running, you name it, exploring. There's always something to smell. There's always something to chase, whether it's an adventure, a squirrel, or a brother, right? So this is Dan Dan. Dan Dan is 2.5. And this is Dee Dee, and Dee Dee is 2. So we love getting out, and we love the fact that we can have what we need when we need it, day or night, rain or shine, and we're comfortable. That's the big thing, is being in nature, being comfortable, and being able to spend as much time outdoors as possible. So again, thanks a lot.